Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing, as usual, a simple recipe. We are going to do Toloo beef curried rice. Okay, Toloo beef is just cured meat in Ghana. Okay, that's how we call it. It is delicious, as you know, so just follow me along. So you are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lots of lovely recipes. Okay, so what I have here, I have some oil in the pan. I normally use rapeseed oil because I know it's a very healthy oil, so that's what I normally use. You can use any oil of your choice. So guys, this is the Toloo beef. All right, so it's beef. I'm going to give you this recipe afterwards so you know how to do it. It's very easy to do. So this is the Toloo beef. I've cut them into small pieces. I'm going to put that into the oil, fry it a bit. Right guys, so this is cooked nicely. So the next thing I need to add is to add some onions. So guys, this is it. As you can see here, the onions is cooked nicely. The more you cook the onions, the more you get that sweetness flavor. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put some spices in it. I tell you, this is really nice rice that you have to try. So I have some bay leaves. I put some bay leaves in. Right, so this mixture is just rosemary, thyme, cloves, fennel seeds, okay, and black pepper. All right, that I have really crushed. I'm going to add that into it. So the next bit is the curry powder. Now what I do is that I use two types of curry powder and I mix them together, okay, to get the really nice flavor. So this is a mixture of two curry powder. Okay, you can buy two from different shops. Okay, they are all different and you can just mix them, you get a really nice flavor. So I'm adding that onto my meat. Oh, it smells amazing guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my rice. I've already washed the rice. You need to wash the rice so that you get rid of a bit of starch. Guys, so what I'm doing, I'm trying to just fry the rice a little bit. As you can see, I've not added any salt because there's salt in the cured beef. Now I'm going to add a bit of turmeric, okay, just to give it a bit of color. And I have some black pepper in it already, so turmeric goes with black pepper, because if you have if you are using turmeric, you have to use black pepper because it helps in absorption. Right guys, so while I fried it a little bit, it's nice and dry, so I'm going to add hot water just to cook it. You have to be careful with the water. If you add a lot of water, your rice will not be cooked nicely. So what you do, quite simply, the same amount of water as the rice. So this is it. So what I'm going to do now is to cover it with cling film. And then I put that on top of it. Just cover it like that. And then allow it to cook. So guys, I just tasted the rice, and it tastes, there's not salt in it because I washed the meat quite well, so there's not a lot of salt in it. So what I'm doing is just adding a bit of salt, and then I'll cover it again to allow it to cook. Smells so good. So guys, I'm checking on the rice. Smells really, really good. You put it at a lower heat and then you leave it to cook. It tastes so good, guys. I'll cover it to allow it to cook more for a few minutes, and then that'll be done. So guys, I'm checking on the rice again. It doesn't take long to cook. So let's see. Oh, it's cooked nicely. Let's look at that. It's absolutely cooked. So you can add some peas, or you can add any veg that you prefer. I'm not adding veg because I'm eating it with my egg stew. It's got veg in it, so I'm not adding any veg to this one. But you can add any veg that you prefer, or you can just have it like this. It tastes absolutely delicious. So guys, this is our curry rice. Okay, this Toloo beef curry rice. It smells amazing. Okay, I'll give you the recipe later for the Toloo beef. Okay, so what I've added a bit of spring onions to it, and I tell you, it smells amazing. And as you can see here, this is nicely cooked, and it smells amazing. All right, so what I'm going to do, you can eat it with anything at all. All right, you can eat it like that, or with shito. Okay, shito is also recipe will be coming later. All right, so normally what I'm having it with, some egg stew. Okay, yeah, I have the recipe there. I'll link it there. If you want to know how to do the egg stew, just check it, because it's amazing and it's really delicious. So guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for coming along with me. I'm so grateful. May God richly bless you all. Bye.